So how do you change the browser on your iPad? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. At first, if you want to change your browser, you need to download some from the App Store. So by default, the iPad features the Safari web browser, which is okay, it's from Apple, but you can open up the App Store and look up some different options. The most popular ones include the Google Chrome. A lot of people use that. Then there is also the Opera or even a DuckDuckGo or even more, right? So you can check out the Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any of these web browsers which can be downloaded from the App Store. Now, in order to use it, you can of course open up the app and start browsing, but to make it the default browser, you need to still go to the settings app like that, tap on the apps at the bottom, choose the Safari from the list, and then just make sure that the default browser app is not the Safari anymore, but you switch it to something else. Like you decided that it's going to be Chrome from now on or even anything else, right? So whatever you download. And this just means that any link you then click on or some website that you tap will be opened through that chosen default web browser. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up for your iPad properly. In case of any questions, you can use the comments section and perhaps me or someone else might be able to answer your question. But that's going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos.